Hi there, this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you be more mindful in your day-to-day life. I've been crocheting for over 30 years now and I have taught over 2,500 students globally. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. In this tutorial today, we'll see how to crochet a magic ring center. A magic ring is a very efficient way to start a circle if you don't want any gap at the center. This magic circle with all the stitches, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet is worked in the same way. If you know how to do a magic ring and if you know how to do the stitches, you can do magic ring circle with any stitch. So today for this particular tutorial, I'm going to do a magic ring with single crochet stitches. Before we start with the tutorial, let me show you the tools and materials that we'll use. I'm using a size 5 100% acrylic yarn and a 6 mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn that is available with you with a matching hook size. So let us start. To begin, we'll start doing a magic ring. For doing a magic ring, take the starting tail of yarn and wrap it around 2 of your fingers, going from the back to the front like this. 2 times you have to wrap. Now insert the hook under both of these loops and gently remove the loops from your finger. Now, in order to secure the ring, I'm just going to do a chain 1. So grab the yarn, take it under the loops that we just created and do a chain 1 like this. This is your magic ring. Now when you are working, just remember that you have to work on both of these loops. You're going to work this way and you're going to work on both of the loops. Make sure that you don't skip this one, otherwise your magic ring will not be completed. So we'll start doing the single crochet stitches. So I'm going to insert the hook in the ring like this, and on both of these loops I'm going to do a single crochet. So grab the yarn, pull a loop and grab the yarn again and pull through both the stitches like this. So this is your first single crochet. Repeat the same thing again. Go under both the loops, grab the yarn, complete the second stitch. Same way, keep doing the stitches till you have a total of 6 single crochet stitches. That will complete your first round. So here I am done with 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now to complete the round, we are going to close the magic ring. Take the starting tail, hold the piece of work firmly in your non-dominant hand and pull this tail tightly, and the gap in the center has disappeared. Now to finish the round, I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet that we just did. So this is your single crochet round done with a magic ring. So this is how you'll do for double crochet, triple crochet and all the other stitches as well. Here we did 6 stitches. When you are doing double crochet, make sure that you do 12 double crochets in the magic ring. When you are doing triple crochet, we usually do 18 triple crochets. For half double, we usually do 8 stitches. There is no such formula. You can experiment with this number of stitches and whichever one you like the most, you can continue with that. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye-bye.